What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest. Wow, mic drop. Invest and trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Polygon. We're sitting at 57 cents. Nice pullback into our target zone. Right after hitting our TP, we hit our TP and then saw the pullback. Down 10% on the day. Can gain free access to my signals if you hang around to the end of the video. Market cap 4.8 billion. 24-hour volume 768 million. Wow, we're having major issues with the mic today. So let's hop into the chart. As you can see, nice five-way move. We just hit our TP on that last little push, and now we're pulling back. So we've already hit the 50%, so it can push from here. But of course, you can go A, B, C, deeper into the target zone before the bounce. That is a possibility. But if we continue up from here, then we can push up to our next resistance zone, which is in between 93 cents and $1.04. In the previous bull market, we had a lot of struggle getting past $1, $1.05. We would break through, we'd come back, and we kind of hung out there for quite a long time. So we'll see how we do this time around, but we've completed a nice five-way move. We've pulled back towards our target zone, so it would be good to see a bounce, because if we do see, let me just remove this fib so it's clear. What the fuck? Hope the pets are healthy. I have two little baby kittens, 2 months old, and I just love them to death. They finally stopped shitting all over the floor as I train them to use their litter box, and that's quite a delight. So it would be good because we created the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. So if we can bounce here, or ABC and bounce, then we can hold the bullish cross and see continuation to the upside, which is exactly what we want to see. I do think we have a really good chance of getting above $5, at least $6 to $8. $10 would be incredible. But that's what I'm looking at for our friend Polygon. All right, gang, we don't have too much chart to work with the change of the ticker, but we'll do what we can. I'm just getting a phone call. I'm going to answer it quickly. Yeah, just quickly had to take a call there. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Pol. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. This will take you 30 seconds and then send me an email. That's it. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Send me an email. Literally takes 30 seconds after you sign up. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in a few trades right now. We just hit our TP on a MATIC a few days ago. And you can see my HODL all plays when I'm selling for my investments, all that good stuff. And one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. So take the 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex. It's really worth it. Send me an email and you get free access for life. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.